Hey guys, I'm Charles Neal. You know, a lot of my folks and whatever, they're always telling me, says, you know, you do all these little things and they just kind of, you do them and they just kind of go to the wayside. You don't think about it again. And here's just a simple little trick that a lot of the guys have said, you know, you really need to film this, so here we are. Nothing profound. It's simply a dado gauge. And all we do is take our dado blade and just set it up with our chippers to all the different widths that we typically use. And that way, when we're processing material, well, just like this slat little video we just shot, if I need 3/4 of an inch, bingo. I can process and, you know, fit my wood, and I know that it's going to fit my dado perfectly. No guessing. A dado gauge. Can't be anything simpler. But man, they are invaluable. You make one, I promise, if you use dados, you will use it and use it and use it. Give it a shot. I'm Charles Neal. I'll catch you later.